Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how you can build your own email verifier. So why do you need an email verifier and what is an email verifier? So basically whenever you are sending email from your custom email, from your business email, you need to verify whether an email address exists or not. So one of the ways is to just send an email and then check whether it was delivered or it got bounced off. But this might also decrease your reputation and then your emails might go into spam. So for that we have some of the solutions, like we have email verification from Verifier, and if you see the pricing you can see how much does it cost. You also have some free validators, like you can just type in your email here and then it will check whether it's correct, real or not. Similarly we have Hunter. Here you can see the plans, and then here you have zero bounce. Here also you can see the plans. Now you know what you need to do and how you can verify your emails or verify someone else's email, but then you need to pay if you're doing this in bulk. So there we have one of the company, which is AfterShip, and they have a library in Golang which is email verifier. So it has a tons of features, and you can simply make a verifier and then just pass your email here and it will return all the results. But if you want to check the SMTP, you need to just add this check SMTP or enable SMTP. Like we have enable SMTP and disable catch all. So depending upon your needs, you can just add the method which you need and then you can do that. So now let me show you in my local machine how does it work. So currently we have a small main.go file which has a small server running on port 8080, and it has one of the path for email validator. You will see here that we will just get the email from the query of the URL and just pass it here and return the response in the JSON form. Here we are not using enable SMTP check because in local most of the ISP do not allow this, so you need a VPS or a server, and there you can verify this. So I will show you how it works on local. Let me open Postman. So this is my local host 8080. If I type in my email, you will see it goes like this. Now if I type the wrong domain, you will see lookup failed, but if I type the right domain, which is this one, you will see a result. So currently SMTP is not enabled, but still you can check whether the domain is correct and exist and has MX record in the DNS or not from any of your local machine. But if you need to check whether the email inbox exists or not, you need to deploy this on a VPS and then you can check it. So currently I'm using Hostinger, and you can see I have deployed it, and this is the domain. So now I will just go to my Postman. So currently you can see the reachable status is unknown for my email, and if I run it here, which is Raunit, sometime it will take some time and sometime the request might get not fulfilled, but it will work in most of the cases. Like you will see reachable yes, you can see a deliverable yes, full inbox false, catch all false, and has MX record, and reachable status is yes. So on my hosting this works, but on my local machine you can see a different response from the same code. And let me just type a wrong email which don't exist and see what happens. You will see reachable is no, because this email don't exist on my custom business email. So we'll just see no and reachable status no, but you will still see that it has MX record. So emails like this you won't be able to verify on the local, but if you have a small VPS you can do this. So you can buy a hostinger, a small VPS, or some of the cheap VPS like Hetzner also have a price of €4 per month, and there you can deploy. So first check whether the cloud provider supports sending request on port 25 or not. If not, you will get some error which I will show you. And suppose you have a temporary email which you need to check, so some of the emails might be temporary. Let me show you what are the results on a temporary email. So let us wait for this to load. So this is a temporary email, and currently you can see reachable no, but you will see here disposable to be false. Now let me change the email and see whether this works or not. So you will see reachable is unknown because it's a temporary email, and you can see deliverable is false. Sometime you will also see that its disposable is true, and the reachable status is unknown here also. So temporary emails will get blocked, and you will save your time and also some money on checking this. Okay, so let me also show you what will happen if we just enable SMTP check on our local machine as well. So I have enabled it. Just restart the server and it's running. Now let me send this request, and you will see a timeout error which will happen because the ISP don't allow this request, which happens in the local machine. But you just need a cloud provider which don't block the request, and you will get the correct result. Okay, so I guess I have increased the timeout, so we need to wait for 60 seconds then. And you will see an error in the connection to the mail server has timed out. So on a local machine you will see the TCP to IP address this and port number 25 don't work, but this won't happen if your cloud providers haven't blocked the request. So search for the cloud providers which don't block this request, like Hostinger, Hetzner, Scaleway. You will also find the link in the description, so use that, and I hope this will help you. So I hope you will like this video, and you will find the link of the code in the description of the video. Here I also have added a Docker file by which you can deploy this in a single go. So just buy a cloud service and then you can just deploy it and then get all the benefits data cloud provider data services like this does. So currently if you go, you will see that the payment is 690 for 1000 credits, but here it's €4. So rupee 100 per euro, it's 400. So you will save some money and you will have your own service ready. So thank you all for watching this video, and I hope you will like this video. See you in the next one.